Hi guys, so I've got this new coloringbook.ai, yeah, and I want to show just how good it is. Now you can do image to colouring page, you can do text to colouring page, yeah, and you can do batch online colouring. There's quite a few things, but for today I'm just going to quickly type in anything. So let's just do, I don't know, cat playing on the beach drinking a cocktail, yeah, just something simple, yeah. Let's see, you can either pick toddler, children, teenagers, adults. We'll do the teenage, we'll do the adults because it's drinking a cocktail, yeah. And then you can either do default, you can do square, you can do landscape. Let's do landscape, I like that one, yeah. So let's just do that, and then we'll do 2 images, yeah, at once, and then we'll just go generate now. And this is how good it is. So it takes a couple of seconds and that, but then it's fun. Like these are some of what I did earlier. I said a dog dressed in shorts and t-shirt sat at a bar on the beach having a drink, and this is what it looked like. And then you can just download them, colour them, and I go to the. Oh, here we are. So let's just click it, get a bigger picture. So look how good this is, guys. You can download this and start colouring it in. So you can do online colouring, or you can like download it. Let's go to the next one. Just come off this one. Let's have a look at the next one. See what this one's like. Now this one, what do you think? Now out of these two, which do you think is better? Well, they are quite good. Now let me show you. So that was less than 60 seconds, wasn't it, guys? So let me do another one. Let's do. I'll think of something. Let's do an alien. Yeah. Alien playing football with farm animals. I don't know what this is going to turn out like, yeah, but let's have a look there. We'll do it for teenagers. No, we'll do it for children, yeah. It's going to be a funny one. We'll still do it landscape because. But I'm interested to see what this one looks like. Now, if you've got a creative mind, you can make some really good videos. So again, let's just have a look at them once. So, oh, here we are. So, he's an alien. He's playing with a pig, I think it is, and a sheep. Yeah. I mean, I'm not sure where the football is, but at least they're playing, so it's looking good. So let's have a look at the next one. Oh, this one has got a football. This one, you've got like sheep, and you've got a lot more animals, and you've got a football with the alien, proper alien. You've got the farmhouse in the background. I'm really liking this. Really good. Now, let's try one more just for the sake of the video, yeah? So let's do, I don't know, my memory's gone blind, but we'll just do a lion swimming underwater wearing a hat. Now this is just crazy, right? So yeah, lion swim underwater wearing a hat. Let's just see what it's like. We'll do, what should we do? Should we do teenagers this time? See if it's a bit more. Yeah, and then we'll just do credits. Generate now. So as you see, the last one then, the animal one, didn't take long at all. You know, the alien one, sorry. So the cat one. So these are like what I've done in the past. Dog drinking, cat drinking, alien playing. Oh, here we are. Here we are. So a lion underwater, yeah, wearing a hat. These are great, guys. Another one. Yeah, yes, to me. So you can have so much fun, and then you can also do image to colour, but I'll make that as another video, guys. Now, if you want to check it out, I will leave the link in the description below, and let me know your comments. If you want me to download it, like if you want me to make any more, type in the comments, yeah, the prompt, and I will see what the images turn out like. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below to learn more about Coloring Book AI. Thanks very much.